Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing so well. So guys, today's video I'll be using rice water on my hair. So I've used rice water before and also have a video on my channel where I use rice water, but this rice water I'm going to be adding some things to it, so that's why I decided to make another video, like an update video. So here is ginger and lime tea. So I'm going to be adding the ginger and lime tea to it because ginger also help to promote hair growth and also help to prevent hair loss, just like rice water. So here is green tea. Green tea also do the same thing, help to prevent hair loss. If your hair is loose, if you are shedding, if you have shedding guys, oh my god, if your hair is shedding, like excess shedding, green tea is the one that can solve that problem for you also. So I'm also going to add 1 bag of green tea to this rice water, and these two things that I add to this rice water is also going to make it to smell really nice and fresh also. So this is the next day. So now I'm going to strain out my rice water so to use it on my hair. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I appreciate you guys. If you are just new here, or you just subscribed to my channel and you decided to come back again to watch my video, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. If you just subscribe, please turn on your post notifications so that you can also come back next time to watch more video. So guys, you can see how the color looks so beautiful and it smells so amazing. Like, if you use this, you can use it as a leave-in guy because there's nothing like smell to this rice water with the help of the ginger and green tea. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application to my hair. So this rice water is so good for our hair. It helps to strengthen our hair. It helps to also prevent hair loss. When you have excess shedding, rice water can also do that for you. Can also help keep your hair shiny and also grow your hair very fast. Can also make your hair look fuller, can make your hair look fuller and also thicker and also stronger guys. Rice water is so good. Here I have my orange essential oil. I'm going to add this to it. Orange also good to promote hair growth, also good to keep your scalp in a good condition, and also help you to take away any scalp irritation. Orange oil is so good for hair and also have amazing smell to this rice water. I'm just going to add few drop of that to my rice water guys. Everything that I use on this video, I will link it at the description box below guys. This is rosemary. Rosemary is so good for hair guys. Rosemary helps to also promote your hair growth, so it can also help to also stop hair fall. When you're suffering from hair fall guys, this recipe is for you. So the next is lemongrass guys. Lemongrass is good for hair growth. It also strengthen your hair and also reduce dandruff guys. It's also good to reduce dandruff. If you have dandruff for your hair, try to use lemongrass essential oil on your hair. You are going to love it. So now I'm going to add the MMS powder to this rice water. So MMS powder is good to promote hair growth. Like, MMS powder is a miracle when it comes to growing out your hair. So I'm going to add some few cup, that little spoon of MS. So I'm going to add is that about 3 spoon of MSM powder to this rice water. So after then I'm going to mix everything together just like so guys. This is a powerful hair growth rice water that you can use for your hair guys. After adding everything together, just mix, shake it, do anything you want to do with it. Make sure that everything is mixed together very well. And now it's time for me to apply it to my hair. So guys, today is the day I prepare my hair because the next day is wash day, so I'll be leaving this on my hair overnight to work on my hair. With all the help of that ingredients, everything is going to be so good. Yeah, I'm taking out my protective style before I will apply this to my hair. So guys, when you want to apply this to your hair, concentrate on your scalp because our hair grow from the scalp, and also at the ends of your hair because they are the oldest, they need more attention. So just apply to your scalp and the ends of your hair. Every other part we collect it also. So yeah, I'm doing my length check every time, so to see how my hair is growing. So don't blame me, I can't help it. Let me do some check. So yeah, now also guys, this is my oil. I also add some MMS powder to that oil, and this is my DIY hair grow oil that I made myself. The video is already on my channel. I will just leave the link at the description box below for you to go and check it out. So this is how I will be applying this to my hair and my scalp with this oil. It's a pre-poo treatment guys. With the rice water and the oil is going to serve as a pre-poo treatment to keep my health easily for me to wash the next day. Pre-poo treatment is so good for hair guys. When you do pre-poo treatment, it's going to help you so that the shampoo that you are going to use to wash your hair will not just dry out your natural oil on your scalp. So when you prepare your hair, when you put some oil on your hair before you wash your hair, the shampoo will not dry out your hair that much. That is the benefit of using pre-poo before you wash your hair. So if you are not been preparing your hair, start doing it now. Okay, so just apply this thing to my hair and my scalp. Try to make your rice water this way. If you have excess hair shedding, boost your rice water to help to solve all your hair condition, okay, dandruff, excess hair shedding, slow to grow, anything that you have that is just wrong with your hair, just make this rice water this way and everything is going to be fine, 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 fine. So just after applying it to my hair, I'm just going to massage it very well to my scalp so that I can stimulate and grow. So when you apply product to your hair, try to also massage it, that way it's going to stimulate grow. So that's how I will be doing right now, right here. So guys, I'm almost done applying the product to my hair. I'm just going to braid this last one, just massage my scalp and cover my hair and go to bed. You can do this the same day you want to wash your hair. You can do it a day before you wash your hair, just depends on how you want to use it. Anyhow you want to use it, you are still going to get the benefits out of this product. So yeah, I am trying to massage my scalp. Oh god, I'm just trying to massage my scalp. I've been massaging my scalp since off camera, so just let me show you guys how you can massage your scalp also. So just do it this way and everything will be fine. Your hair will be growing, your hair will grow, your hair will definitely grow, but just have patience. What you use that work for you, be consistent with it. Don't just use it once and dump it as it did not work and move to the next one. try to be consistent with your hair grow regimen. Try to have a routine that work for you, and try to do things that work for you. Okay, so after that, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap, a plastic bag, and then go to bed. So the next morning, I'm just going to wash my hair with shampoo, condition my hair, and decondition my hair, and put my hair back to protective style. This is how I retain my length. This is how I keep my hair out of breakage, out of excess shedding, and out of dandruff or any other scalp issue. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. Share if you can, like if you can, and thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next one.